Welcome back. You're watching our special series on organized retail and entrepreneurs who are capitalizing on that opportunity. Our next guest, Parul Bhatia, decided to focus on the spice business. After tying up with Walmart in 2007, Parul revamped Sterling Groceries to conform to international standards, and today he supplies his products to Metro Cash and Carry, Spar and Reliance. It's a 25 crore rupee company, and Sterling Groceries is now looking at entering the export market. He's targeting revenues of 100 crore rupees by 2014. Here's Parul's story. From the traditional practice of trading spices to bringing it into modern retail, Parul Bhatia has taken his 8-year-old Sterling Groceries to new markets. With its brand PRS or Pure and Real Spices, the venture today supplies its products to retail giants like Walmart, Metro Cash and Carry, Spar and Reliance. Having already grossed revenues of 25 crore rupees in 2011, Sterling Groceries has 2 manufacturing units in Delhi and Greater Noida. So how has tying up with big retail chains changed the flavor of his business?
By joining these retail chains, we have got a very big opportunity. First of all, our brand PRS, which is well placed across all the retail chains, we have got a very good platform. Otherwise, if we launch a new brand in a market, it's a very costly affair nowadays because we need to have very huge marketing budgets. Secondly, we have become more organized. These international companies, they tell us you implement these international food safety standards, ethical and social, checklist is there. So we have become, we are growing with them, and we have become more organized by their training. They are conducting regular training programs in our factories and to our workers, and life of worker has also changed.
Like it has changed for Mukesh Kumar Sharma, one of the 100 employees at Sterling Groceries. Over the past 5 years, Mukesh, a machine operator, has seen his workplace improve and become more professional.
हमको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी। जब से भारतीय वाल में आया तो ऑटोमेटिक मशीनें आ गई हैं, वो सारी मशीनों से काम होता है। अब इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती हमको, आप जल्दी काम हो जाता है। हमारे वर्करों के लिए सारी सुविधाएं कंपनी ने दे दी हैं, ड्रेस वगैरह ये सारी सुविधाएं कंपनी हमको देती है। हमारी तनख्वाह भी अच्छी तरह से बढ़ाती है, हमारे आने जाने के लिए कन्वेंस भी देती है, रहने के लिए कंपनी ही हाउस रेंट देती है।
Producing 500 metric tons of spices every month, Sterling Groceries today has a portfolio of 80 products. As a supplier to global brands, Sterling Groceries has had to conform to international standards, and Parul has done this by setting up an in-house testing facility as well as subjecting his factories to routine third-party audits. With a 1,000 metric ton per month capacity plant coming up in Mehsana in Gujarat, Parul is also applying for BRC certification to help him gear up for the export market in Europe. He's now looking at touching revenues of 100 crore rupees by 2014. But just how does he plan to do this in a high volume and low margin business?
At the end of each harvesting season, we procure most of the material at that same time because the prices are at very rock bottom level at that time period only. After that, we put our material in cold storages, and based on requirements, we manufacture the material. And these international chains, they are so organized that they give us their quarterly projections, how much you need to produce. So that helps us a lot. After supplying to these retail chains, what happens is they are only involved in between. So we save 10 to 15% of the cost which we pass on to the end customer, and they also get a very good product.
And to bring down costs further, Parul is strengthening his supply chain by directly sourcing raw materials from farmers. Addressing a key issue in the FDI debate, eliminating the middleman not only means a 10 to 15% cost saving for Parul, but also a higher return for the farmers that he contracts with. Well, Parul, here's hoping you continue to spice it up. On that note, it's time for a break. When we return, all the action